당신의 가족은 몇 명이에요? 우리 가족은 5명이에요. 누구누구 있어요? 엄마, 아빠, 언니, 남동생, 그리고 저예요. 안녕! Welcome back to 동그라미 Korean. Today we're going to learn how to say family members in Korean and also expressions to introduce them. First, in order to introduce your family, you need to know the words for family members, right? So let's look at those first. Mom in Korean is 엄마, 엄마, 엄마. Dad is 아빠, 아빠, 아빠. For siblings, the word is different for older siblings and younger siblings. Then again, for older siblings, you use different words depending on your gender. Let's first say you're a female. If you're a female, your older sister is 언니, 언니, 언니. If you're female, your older brother is 오빠, 오빠, 오빠. These two expressions you may have heard on lots of Korean contents, especially if you're a K-pop fan, you'll know. For example, you would call 진 오빠, 태형 오빠, 지수 언니, and Jenny 언니. Now back to the words. On the other hand, if you're male, your older sister is 누나, 누나, 누나. If you're male, your older brother is 형, 형, 형. For younger siblings, your gender does not matter. Younger sibling is just 동생, 동생. Whether you're male or female, your younger brother is 남동생, 남동생. Younger sister is 여동생, 여동생. 남 here means male and 여 means female. So 남동생 literally means male younger sibling and 여동생 means female younger sibling. Now then, let's try introducing these family members. How many people are in your family? 당신의 가족은 몇 명이에요? 당신의 가족은 몇 명이에요? If you directly translate this Korean sentence, it would be your family is how many people? Let's say I want to answer there are 5 people in my family. You would say 우리 가족은 5명이에요. 우리 가족은 5명이에요. Again, if you directly translate this, it means our family is 5 people. In Korea, a lot of times you say our instead of my when you're referring to a group that you belong to. So instead of 내, which means my, you would say 우리, 우리 가족. Now then, I want to know who the family members are. So let's ask, who are they? 누구, 누구 있어요? 누구, 누구 있어요? By repeating 누구, you're saying who and who are there. Now let's answer. There's mom, dad, older sister, younger brother, and me. 엄마, 아빠, 언니, 남동생, 그리고 저예요. That was easy, right? Before you go, let's look at 2 more words for grandmother and grandfather. Grandma is 할머니, 할머니, 할머니. Grandfather is 할아버지, 할아버지, 할아버지. With that, we've covered 10 words to introduce your family members. Well done today and see you next time. 안녕.